I found Penguin.
And Mr. Freeze. Have you located the cure yet?
Not yet. The situation is worse than I thought. Penguin has a supply of the Titan formula.
He's got what? How do you get Titan off Arkham Island? What's going on here? Your suit's bio readings are spiking.
Nice of you to join us, Oracle. Alfred, bring Barbara up to speed.
Of course.
But...
I'll be in touch.
Stay where I can see you, Batman. You wouldn't believe the fight the old snowman put up. Still, I got what I wanted. That's all that matters. Hold still, boy.
No! No!
When you're done in here, feel free to join me in the Iceberg Lounge so I can kick your ass again. Enjoy the copsicle.
Over here, please.
The ice looks unstable. I need to move slowly. Take my time. Hold on. You should be safe here.
Thank you.
Are you from the 13th Precinct? Where's the rest of your team?
There are 2 more guys in this room. Penguin froze them up, then went after me. I ran and... well, I guess you saw what happened.
I'll get them. You wait here and try to warm up.
I'm over here. It's so cold. Where did Penguin get that gun?
He stole it from Mr. Freeze. I'm getting it back.
Please! Someone! Help me!
Stay here for now.
No problem, sir. There are more of us.
If they're still alive, I'll find them.
Come on. Do you need your mommy? Oh no, what are you gonna do now?
Didn't we tell you that was gonna happen? Sorry, slipped our minds.
Maybe Maybe you should go look for a can opener. Hell, why bother? Nothing's getting through the security gate. You're trapped out there.
You should just turn right round and get the hell out of here.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get past this thing. It's the best Wayne Tech can offer. It comes with a personal guarantee from Bruce Wayne himself. I heard he's in here too. Maybe you should just go ask him for the combination.
Hey, what's he doing?
He's got some kind of computer thing. How'd he do that? You said he couldn't get through!
This is what happens when you try and get clever with me. Look closer. Do you want this to happen to you? Recognize Joker's pets? Me too. That's why I had them shot and stuffed. Surely no introduction is necessary. A prize-winning cryogenic scientist pushed to the edge of sanity by a desire to help his poor, dying wife. Or an old man captured by me and stuck on the grill.
I shall slice you into pieces, America.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Why won't you die?
You may want to run, Bat. What are you gonna do, Bat?
Shall kill you.